Go to Canva and choose create custom size. Let's make this size and go to elements and type orange and red gradient photos. Let's choose this one and let's use this image. Remove the background and download this page as PNG. Select all and delete and go back to elements and type brush graphics. Use any brush style you want. Let's use this one. Increase the size, place it in the middle and let's duplicate and download this page as well as PNG. Select all and delete and upload the two images that we just make and go to apps and type blend image. Choose this app. Let's click on this brush first, use it in bottom layer and click in the second image, use it in top layer and go to blend mode and choose screen. Click adjust top layer and you can adjust the position of your image as you want. And click add to design. Increase the size to cover all the page and let's add a text. Go to text and type your text. Let's change the font to Alex Brush. Change the color to white color. Adjust the size and let's place it here. And here is the final results.